Okay, I'm now here in Pampanga and I'm seeing strange lights in the sky. Something like fire, and then it forms into something big, and then now it's forming a V shape. As you can see, I'm on the highway, so here are the cars. So there it is again. It keeps on going up and down, and it multiplies. Now it's going to die out again, and then sooner or later they'll come out in numbers again. It's like they're descending into the clouds.
Sige, diretso, Jake. Sige pa, Jake. Hindi kita, Jake, eh.
Ang daming tao.
Kaya pala ang daming sasakyan doon, nakita mo, nakatigil yung mga sasakyan.
Ayun, tumigil sila, oh.
Ayan. Ayan.
Uy, nagigilima.
Ay, ayan, nagigilima na siya.
Ay, ang dami.
Ay, joke. Picture. Ito yun. Ano yan? Ay, shit, meron pa akong ano.